NFLAT, where students learn money matters. Raju and Chintu.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Raju's dream world.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Whom are you waving at? Come on, let's get home. I'll get you something to eat.
Mom, why don't we own a bike? It's so cool.
Money doesn't grow on trees. Eat quietly.
Why all attention today?
Dad, why don't we own a bike? It's so cool and fast.
What? A bike? Do you know the expenses of our living? Focus on your studies. And when you earn, buy it yourself.
Raju, where are you lost?
Ma'am, why doesn't everyone have money to do what they want?
It depends on how well we earn and manage money. Developing good financial habits, starting with earning a solid income and managing it wisely, will lead to overall financial well-being.
How do I learn good financial habits?
Financial literacy is a key skill that helps us make smart decisions about money. Knowing how to manage money, developing good financial habits, and making informed financial decisions. NCFE's NFLAT program assesses these important skills, helping students learn how to manage their money wisely and build good financial habits for the future.
What's NCFE and NFLAT?
National Center for Financial Education is set up by RBI, SEBI, IRDAI and PFRDA with the vision of creating a financially aware and empowered India. Their NFLAT program offered national level free financial literacy assessment test for students in class 6 to 12, helping them to learn about money management in a fun and easy way.
How?
Now this is your homework. Tomorrow you will present it to the class.
Yes, NFLAT is a free, online-based financial literacy assessment test for classes 6 to 12 to encourage students to develop basic financial skills. Each participating student is awarded an e-certificate based on their performance. It covers 8 finance modules for all 3 levels, offered based on students' class with proportionate difficulty standard, with material and videos available at www.ncfe.org.in and exciting prizes for the winners. Ma'am, NFLAT registration is really simple. Schools just need to enroll their students and the process is straightforward. Schools just need to go through a simple registration process, enroll the students, get user IDs and ensure the participation.
Really? How do you know all this?
Ma'am, NFLAT testimonials. So inspiring.
Participating in the National Financial Literacy Assessment Test has been an amazing experience for me. The journey to this achievement was not just about studying hard. It was about understanding the impact of financial literacy in our daily lives.
NFLAT, or the National Financial Literacy Assessment Test, has provided students like me with invaluable knowledge on managing finances, from budgeting to saving and investing.
Great job, Raju. I'll start our school's NFLAT registrations right away and inform parents about its importance for students' bright futures. encouraging everyone to participate.
Let's get prepared for NFLAT.